it.
What's wrong with you?
What are you wrong with you? Open it.
What's wrong with you?
What do you mean you don't like it? Why? What is it?
Did you do something stupid like get him underwear?
No.
What's wrong with underwear?
What's wrong with underwear?
You wear underwear every day.
Let's see what kind she got you.
Oh, let me just see what kind. You don't know. There may be something inside
Take it
there.
out, Logan.
It could be Gavin's size.
There might be some other things in there.
Those are nice underwear.
Wow, it's a whole bag of underwear and socks. It was a disguise, huh? It was an underwear and sock disguise.
Is that cool?
And another one.
But don't forget the stocks.
Chop, chop. Slice and dice.
Hey, Logan, go try your underwear on.
No. I love slice and dice.
You do? No, there's more inside here. Look.
Logan, there might be more.
Pick up something. What's that? What's that, Logan?
Spider-Man.
Do you like Spider-Man underwear?
Are those boxers?
That's cool.
What?
That's pretty cool.
Spider-Man again. This.
Do you like that? Those are underwears.
What size is it?
Army.
Superman.
Do you like Superman